In Italy and around the world have been initiated several projects on health and hospital operating scope, however in the traditional manner, with the aim of integrating the different local to limited areas. Health is still limited. The situation today is still characterized by the centrality of the hospital, around which the different actors specialize in and where the patient has not yet assumed the central role they deserve. The documentation is mainly paper, and the paper is unfortunately still the element of connection. The patient acquires its central through MPHC, which contains the life of the patient and can be used in Italy and around the world. The contemporary response to modernized healthcare is MPHC, Mobile and Personal Hospital Card, that contains all the patient's personal health records. The card MPHC relies on the use of innovative technologies and reverses the traditional methodological framework focusing on mobile and networking logic that put the patient at the center of the system. All the patient's medical file is updated in real time and protected in compliance with the authority for the privacy. In fact, the personal card and mobile, designed in accordance with current regulation of the privacy, follow the patient throughout his life and makes available health information in accordance with the criteria defined display also from the same patient. The card and personal mobile leads the patient to achieve its central, thus began the new Health 3.0. Consultation with the doctor, specialist visit, urgent action, periodic inspection, clinical analysis, sudden illness, speech on the road, surgery, all health records within the patient card. The project is based on a registered patent and is the solution for mobile and personal card hospital workers increasingly mobile. The entire medical history is contained in a single personal card with a new technology. File your health always with you, wherever you are. The use of the card at the doctor is very intuitive. The recognition system, such as card, enables the physician. The reader is activated for reading. The reader is active. The doctor insert the card at the patient's personal automatically opens the software that decrypts the content of the card, displaying the appropriate documentation to the levels of the credential of the operator or a portion of the medical file that the user is authorized to see. At the doctor can be available the acquisition of medical documents through a scanner. After activating the reader, we are ready to scan, capture and secure storage of health records. Inserting a document is scanned into the scanner, and video will open the document management software. The doctor inserts a personal card of the patient and automatically opens the software that allows the cataloging of the document, its encryption and its rescue. In this way, the cardinal is extremely immediate retrieval of health records before the start of the innovative MPHC. Another important feature is activated at the emergency room, where the card takes on a life-saving. The reader is constantly active, ready to read the card. The operator inserts the card of the patient and automatically opens the software that decrypts the content by displaying the appropriate documentation. In the case of unconscious patients, the doctor can check his blood type in advance of any illnesses, allergens, thus acting in an appropriate manner and substantially reducing the possibility of error. The same life-saving features are also made available to the ambulance, and always in the case of unconscious patients. A common mobile phone can be used to extract information from emergency response. Connecting the reader to the mobile phone, we are ready for reading card of the patient. The operator inserts the card of the patient and automatically opens the software that decrypts the contents of the card, displaying the information on first aid. The hospital's mobile and personal card is a unique project of its kind. It is based on innovative technologies and logic-oriented and mobile networking. All the personal health record stuff in one card. So begins the Health 3.0 that puts the patient at the center.